Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to start differentiation using logarithms. We can differentiate a function fx or fxy like this. The function fx means function related with element related with x. Function fxy means function related with x and y. When this function in the form of power, that is suppose x to the power n, power of something, when a function is power, suppose x to the power 5, y to the power 5, power of something, or cube root of something, cube root of xy like this. When a function is in the form power of some elements, trigonometric function, polynomial function, square root function, then we can differentiate that function using logarithms. That is, logarithmic function, we can differentiate the logarithmic function with use of logarithm both sides. Now let us do a few sum. Let sum number 1. Here y equals to 2x plus 3 to the power 3x minus 5. This is a polynomial function of x. It is a power. We can differentiate it using logarithm both sides. Taking log both sides, that is log this equals to log of this. Then power will come first, that is log of y equals to 3x minus 5 log of 2x plus 3. Now differentiate with respect to x both sides. 1 by y, log y differentiation, dy by dx. This is u, this is v. So 3x minus 5 is constant. Derivative of second part, 1 by 2x plus 3. Differentiate of chain rule is 2 plus log of 2x plus 3 is constant. Differentiate of this is only 3. That is, we can write, simplify it, then dy by dx equals to y 2 bracket 3x minus 5 by 2x plus 3 log of 2x plus 3. Now we can write y, putting the value of this, that is 2x plus 3 into whatever is there. Instead of y, put 2x plus 3 to the power 3x minus 5. Then instead of y, put the value, and that is the answer. Sum number 2. In this sum, we have y equals to square root of x minus 3 x square plus 4 over 3x square plus 4x plus 5. The square root means power should be half. Now taking log both sides, log of this equals to log of this. When log of this to the power half means power will come first. Now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. First of all, before differentiating, you break it. Half common, log of u into v, product value, log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4. Log AB means log A plus log B. This is division, means log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5 log y. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx equals to half log this is derivative 1 by x minus 3 plus log this 1 by x square plus 4, the inner part x square derivative is 2x minus log of this means 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Then by chain rule, derivative of this is 6x plus 4. Now dy by dx y into half of this pura thing and put the value of y is this. That is, instead of y we can write value of y what was before, that is the answer. Next sum number 3. Y equals to e to the power x square into tan inverse x over root over 1 plus x square. Here is also u by v, this is square root. We can write this to the power half, square root of this. Now taking log both sides, log y equals to log of this. Then log y equals to log e to the power x square uv productive derivative. This is tan inverse x separate. E to the power x square into tan inverse x. Then log ab means log a plus log b. That is log of tan inverse x. Then division means subtraction minus half of log of 1 plus x square. Now differentiate e to the power log x square. E to the power log x equals to only x. There is this will be only x square. E to the power log x square is only x square. We can write x square. Then 1 by y dy by dx equals to 2x plus log something derivative 1 by tan inverse x into then chain rule tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square minus half log this is derivative 1 by 1 plus x square, then chain rule 2x, 2 cancel. Then dy by dx equals to y into 2x plus 1 by 1 plus x square into tan inverse x minus x over 1 plus x square. Then put the value of y what was before, that is you have to write value of y there, then that is the your differentiation, required differentiation dy by dx. Then sum number 4. Y equals to x to the power cos x plus cos x to the power sin x. In this term, this is power. We have to write that this is u. Let u equals to x to the power cos x and v equals to cos x to the power sin x. Taking log both sides, log u equals to log this equals to log this. Log u equals to cos x log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, 1 by u du by dx. This is uv, cos x constant, log x is derivative 1 by x plus log x constant, cos x is derivative minus sin x, that is minus sin x. Then du by dx equals to u cos x by x minus log x sin x, and put the value of u here, x to the power cos x, that is du by dx. Similarly, log v equals to sin x log of cos x. Taking log both sides, v is this, log v shaman, log this, then power will come first. Then difference in respect to x, 1 by v dv by dx equals to uv. In sin x constant, log cos x fixed 1 by cos x, in cos x is derivative minus sin x plus log of cos x constant, sin x is derivative cos x. That is dv by dx equals to v bracket cos by sin is tan x minus tan x into sin x plus cos x log of cos x. Then you put the value of v is this, that is your final dv by dx. Now this was u, this was v, then y equals to u plus v, then dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx, implies du by dx is this, value of u, x to the power cos x, that is x to the power cos x bracket cos x by x minus log of sin x du by dx plus dv by dx means this, v means cos x to the power sin x, cos x to the power sin x, then bracket minus tan x sin x plus cos x log of cos x. That is your final answer. That is implies dy by dx equals to, this is your final answer. I'm telling again, y equals to this. Suppose this is u, this is v. Y equals to u plus v. dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. First take u. So u equals to this, taking log we got, then v this, log we got this, then put the value here and you get the answer. Sum number 5. X to the power y equals to e to the power x minus y. This is also power, taking log both sides. Log of this equals to log of this. That means y log x equals to x minus y log e. Value of log e is 1. Now differentiating, that is x minus y. Log of e equals to 1. Now differentiating, y constant, log x derivative 1 by x plus log x constant, y derivative dy by dx. We have to prove that dy by dx equals to log x over 1 plus log x whole square. We have to prove this. Now y constant, log x derivative 1 by x plus log x constant dy by dx equals to x derivative 1 minus dy by dx. Now dy by dx taking left hand side, then dy by dx equals to log x is coming left, that is plus 1 equals to 1 minus y by x. Y constant, x derivative 1 log x plus 1, this is x derivative 1, sorry, y log x equals to this. So y coming left hand side, y common, log x plus 1 equals to x. Then y equals to x by 1 plus log x. You have to prove this. You have to take fraction form. That's why in that way we can't be able to do it. Then differentiating both sides, dy by dx equals to 1 plus log x whole square, u by v. 1 plus log x is constant, x derivative 1 minus x constant, denominator derivative 1 by x. That is log x by 1 plus log x whole square. You have to do like this because you have to prove this. That's why you have to take y in respect of fractional form, because this is asking. In that way, we can be able to do dy by this, but we can't prove this. That's why we have taken y one side and then y equals to fractional form, then do differentiate both sides with respect to x. We got the required answer. We have to prove this, that's why. Next, sum number 6. Y equals to log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square. Prove that dy by dx equals to 1 by root over 1 plus x square. Here dy directly, no need to get log is there, so directly do differentiation. Dy by dx log of this, that is 1 by x plus root over 1 plus x square. Then by chain rule, this one, x derivative 1, root something derivative 1 by 2 root over 1 plus x square. Then inner portion is 2x. So to cancel, that is 1 by x plus root over 1 plus x square, and do addition these, x plus root over 1 plus x square over square root of 1 plus x square. Then this and this cancel, that is 1 by root over 1 plus x square, that equals to right hand side. Dy by dx is this. Next one, sum number 7. Y equals to square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. We have to prove dy by dx equals to cosec x. Here, using trigonometric formula, it is 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. That is root 2 sin x by 2. This is 1 plus cos x 2 cos square x by 2. That is root 2 cos x by 2. Root 2 cancel, that is tan x by 2. Now, there was log of this. So y equals to log tan x by 2. Then dy by dx equals to log tan x by 2 means 1 by tan x by 2. Then tan x by 2 derivative sec square x by 2. Tan x derivative sec square x, then x by 2 is half. That 1 by 10 is cot, that is cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. Sec square x by 2, 1 by cos square x by 2. These two is come first. Then cos x by 2, cos square x by 2 cancel. That is 1 by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. That is 1 by sin x. That is cosec x. That is right hand side. So dy by dx we got cosec x. That is your answer. Next, sum number 8. Y equals to square root of 1 minus sin 2x by 1 plus sin 2x. We can write this sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. This one sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Then y equals to sin x minus cos x whole square, that is only sin x minus cos x. This is sin x plus cos x whole square, that is sin x plus cos x. This we can write cos x plus sin x whole square. And this we can write cos x minus sin x whole square. This we can write cos x plus sin x whole square. Square root of this. That y equals to cos x minus sin x over cos x plus sin x. Now we can divide cos x numerator denominator, that is y equals to 1 minus tan x 1 plus tan x into 1. That means y equals to tan pi by 4 minus tan x over 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x implies y equals to tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan a minus tan b 1 plus tan a minus b. Then dy by dx equals tan x derivative sec square pi by 4 minus x. Then it is minus 1. That is your answer. That is dy by dx plus sec square pi by 4 minus x equals to 0. Sum number 9. Y equals to x to the power x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 whole to the power x square. This is u, this is v. Let u equals to x to the power x minus x square minus 3. Taking log both sides, log u equals to log of this, then log of u समान x square minus 3 into log x, then 1 by u du by dx. This is u, this is v. X square minus 3 is constant, log x is derivative 1 by x plus log x constant into log x. So du by dx is u into this. Put the value of u is this. Final answer du by dx equals to value of u is this x to the power x square minus 3 into whatever is there. Similarly, v equals to x minus 3 whole to the power x square. Taking log both sides, log this, then log v equals to x square log of x minus 3. That means 1 by v dv by dx. X square is constant, 1 by x minus 3 plus log of x minus 3 constant x square derivative to x. Then we can get dv by dx v into x square by x minus 3 plus 2x log of x minus 3. What is v? Is x minus 3 to the power x square. This is dv by dx. Now y equals to u plus v. Then y equals to u plus v was there. Now differentiating both sides. dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now du by dx is this x to the power x square minus 3 to the power x square minus 3 by x plus 2x log x plus x minus 3 whole to the power x square x minus 3 plus 2x log of x minus 3. That is the final answer of du by dx. Okay, these are the differentiation of function xy using logarithms. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and thank you.